Hi, I'm Rebecca, and I'll be helping you solve problem number 6 from section 5. Problem number 6 asks that if the length of one side of a triangle is 5, which of the following cannot be the lengths of the other two sides of the triangle? So, let's say this is what the triangle looks like. One side is 5. So, we have remember that the triangle inequality theory states that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. We also should remember that if the sum equals the third side, they all lay on the same line. So let's say this is A and this is B. So what they're saying that A plus B must always be greater than the third side, 5. Not only that, but A minus B also has to be less than 8. Now, to solve the problems, you plug numbers in for the variables A and B. So let's start with option A. So we could say that 3 plus 3 will not equal 6. And that does follow what we stated previously over here. 6 is greater than 5. But it also has to follow our other rule. It also has to be A minus B is less than 5. And when we do 3 minus 3, let's write it in green. 3 minus 3, we get 0. 0 is less than 5. But the only problem with this is that if it's 0, that's too small of a number. So imagine this is our triangle, and we have 5, 3, and 3. The problem with this is that then these two sides are 0. They're too small, so all the sides would not connect. Okay, now just to make sure that we understood the problem, let's try it again with a different number. So instead of 5, let's replace 5 with 12. Remembering all the rules that I told you guys before, and then we talked about, what are the range of numbers that could not, let's use the same rule as before, cannot be the lengths of the other two sides of the triangle. So remember the rules. So it was A plus B, this is A and this is B, has to be greater than 12, but A minus B must be less than 12. We could use, for example, 21 and 4 as our two numbers. So this would be our A and this would be our B. So we do 21 plus 4, and that gives us 25, and 25 is greater but when we do 21 minus 4, we get 17. And the problem with this is that 17 is not less than 12. So therefore, this would not work. And this would be a good example of following lengths that cannot be the other two sides of a triangle.